Hey guys and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to take screenshot or record videos in Windows 11 without the use or without the need of any third-party apps. So we are going to use the inbuilt feature of Windows. So all you need to do is just hit Windows key or you can just click on the start button and then you have to look for snipping tool, and this is the app that I'm talking about. So you just have to click on it. Now there are various different kind of features available with this app. Now we'll start with the snipping part, that is for the screenshot. Then after that we'll have a look at the screen recording. So I'll just tap here on this new button. Now after clicking on that new button, you can see now we have four different types of snips that we can take. The first one is rectangular mode. You can take a screenshot in the shape of a rectangle, so it can be any part of the screen like this, and then it opens up, and then you have the option either to save this snip or the screenshot, or you can copy it and paste it wherever you want to paste it. The other thing that you can do is you can zoom. If you want to zoom in this picture or you want to check out something, you can share it using the applications which are available on your computer, like you can use Nearby Share or you can use email app. Let's see the other kind of snippings or the other kind of screenshots. Now the second one is this free form mode. In the free form mode there is no particular form of the shape defined, so you can do it in any of the way that you seem fit, and the picture will be recorded something like this. So this is the second type. The third type is window mode, so which means if this third window mode is selected and then you just have to click anywhere on the window and the entire window will be recorded or captured as a screenshot. So this is the window mode. Now let's see the full screen mode. So you just have to click here and then the photo of entire full screen will be taken. Now difference between the window mode and the full screen mode is that in the window mode you have the option to take screenshot of either your first window or second window or third window depending on how many monitors you have connected to your computer. In the full screen mode, the screenshot of all the monitors or all the displays will be taken. So as you can see it from here as well, this is my number 1 display, this is the number 2, and also depending on the position in which they are kept. In case this external monitor is kept on your left side and you have extended the monitor in a way that this display will be extended on the left side, then your external monitor will not be displayed here on the right side, instead it will be displayed on the left side. So that totally depends on how you are using your computer. Now let's see what we have here, how we can edit these screenshots. The first one is the brush or the ballpoint pen. So using this you can make any kind of addition. Then the second one is highlighter. Highlighter can be used to highlight a text. Let's capture some text first so that I can show you. So I'll just take a window mode. Now this is a screenshot of the window. Now using this ballpoint we can write something, like if you want to write something regarding what you have captured, you can write in this way, or if you want to highlight a part of the text, something like this, you can do that using this button. Then the third one is eraser. Eraser can just erase what you have done so far in this way. And then we have a ruler, which actually is a real ruler if you want to use that. After that we have a crop button. This is used to crop, so if you want to crop a part of your screenshot, then you can do that something like this. Alright, then the next feature is this one, text action, which we use to read the text which is available in your screenshot. So as soon as I clicked on it, the text which were in the screenshot have been recognized. So now I can just copy the text in this way, or if you want to copy all the text that is present in the screenshot, then you can just tap here on copy all text. Or if you just want to quickly extract email address or phone numbers, then you can just click here on quick redact. But since there is no phone number or email address here, that's why I'm getting this error. There was no text to quick redact. And also there is one more feature which is very handy, that is the delay button. So if you want to capture a photo or a screenshot after a delay of, let's say, 3 seconds, then you can just set it for 3 seconds like here, and then there will be a delay of 3 seconds before this snipping button comes out. So that is the use of this delay snip. Now we can see this button which is for screen recording. So you just have to tap on it, and then you just tap here on new recording. Let's say you want to record this screen. So now it depends whether you want to record the entire screen like this, or you want to record a particular part of this screen. You don't have to record everything. So let's say you want to record something like this, or if you want, you can change the part of the screen that you want to record. You can make the changes like this. Once you are done with that, then you have the option whether to turn on or off this mic. So let's say I'll just turn it on for now, and then this is for mute system audio. So I'm going to unmute it so that it can record any sound that is coming from the system. And then finally I can just tap here on start recording, and there is a gap of 3 seconds. And if you want to make any kind of changes or editing, you can do that in Edit in Clipchamp app. So anyways, that's all for this video. This is how you can take a screenshot in Windows 11, or you can record your window or your screen without the need of using any third-party applications. So it's totally free. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.